we're doing an audio phone test today to see how that sounds on this new 4075R, and we'll tell you all about it and test several different things. Let's get started. I'm just going to start by saying that testing a phone call quality is pretty difficult, and Christy and I put a lot of thought into this, so let me tell you about our setup. What we're doing is we have the phone conversation, that's where the microphone is, and that's being recorded through Christy's IsoTunes headset. She's actually got one of our standard audio microphones on her ear inside the earmuff of her IsoTunes. We thought this was the most real-world example of what she's hearing in this phone call. You're hearing me through the phone on her microphone that's coming through her IsoTunes. If there's any change to that, we'll list on text on the screen where we're getting the audio. I am also wearing a microphone, and if we have to switch to that because the audio of the call drops out or is not intelligible, we'll let you know right here in the lower third here on the screen. Now I want to talk about the tractor choice for today. We've got the 4075R. I fully intended to use the 3046R, the new 2024 model 3046R, but there was an issue with the microphone. Once I paired my Bluetooth phone with it, we couldn't get the microphone to work. So we worked with it for a good while, and finally we gave up and said we'll just go to the 4075R. That's the only reason we're using this larger tractor for this particular test. Now, I really think the two of them should perform the same, but it's entirely possible that they might be a little bit different. I guess in this case, since we can't get the 3046R to work, it is a lot different. It'll be interesting to hear your comments, even starting now, as to the voice quality. With my watch, I'm seeing about 81 dB in the cab here. Again, this is a PTO attachment, so wide open throttle, full throttle on the tractor, with the PTO running wide open as well. So that's this is a very loud mower, I will say. It spins very fast. I think near 17,000, almost 18,000 feet per minute on the tips of the blades when it's running full throttle here. So when I'm running it on my 3046R open station, it sounds like a jet's taking off behind me, even with a good set of IsoTune sound isolating earphones. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about the yard here that we're mowing. It's deteriorating every day. It was going really well. We had a really good stand. I think we showed you in the prior video, and it's just been hot and dry. The practicality of us trying to irrigate this is very low, even though we have a pond right beside. It's just not practical for us to irrigate it. So it's a shame that I'm seeing some of the best grass out here actually dying. And yeah, we'll have to reseed it again this fall. It looks like if we can just get some rain sometime soon, it looks like we're going to get some covering over all of it. And that would really help us for future reseeding. Christy, what do you think of the audio? Can you hear pretty good through the phone?
Yes, I can hear you very well with my IsoTunes headset.
I'm not hearing you at all.
Really?
Okay, we just had an issue. I couldn't hear Christy, but she could still hear me. So I don't know what's going on there. Do we have you now, Christy?
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you now. So what we did was I just hung up the call and called again, and we're reconnected now. So at some point between this a bit complex connection here, we lost connectivity. Now that could be here in my end on the tractor. It could have been between her phone and the IsoTunes. Of course, it could have been in the telephone connection. We don't know. That's the hard part of doing a test like this. Christy, overall, what do you think of the audio quality of the phone?
I hear you very well with these headphones on.
Okay.
It doesn't sound muffled or anything.
That sounds good. Now, what if I turn my head away from the microphone? So now I'm talking away from the microphone, looking the other direction. Can you still hear me then?
Yes, I can. Did you try to talk louder though?
No, I didn't really. Now, I am talking loud. So if you have a soft voice, maybe I'll soften it down. So now I'm not talking nearly as loud. Can you still hear me?
Yes, I do have my volume turned up all the way on my phone.
But maybe I don't need to be talking as loud because it was a little bit of a strain for me to talk that loud. But probably annoying to the viewers to hear me talking like that. But I guess I felt I needed to, but maybe I don't.
Yeah, I don't think you really have to.
Overall, I think this is working pretty well. If I had one complaint about the audio system in this tractor, it's that I don't have any rear speakers. There's 2 speakers up front, and I don't have any rear speakers. I've had the lid off, as you've seen on the 3520. I've had the lid off, and it's just too tight a space up there. There's not room for any speakers, and besides, that's in the cold part of the air-conditioned space. I'm sure they wouldn't want the speakers exposed there. It does make it a little harder for me to hear since I don't have speakers back here closer to my ears. Now, I understand my hearing is damaged. Partially because of the tractors, but more because of some sinus issues that I've had over the years. It's an inherited issue in my family, and that's just the way it is. Obviously, this tractor has no issues whatsoever pulling this mower, especially where there's not a lot of grass here. How's the weather out there, Christy?
Hi, how are you in there? Just a fishing cab?
Yeah, I'm just in a fishing cab. I don't have any dust. I don't have any heat. Everything's just going swimmingly in here. Now, when I'm really close like that, I couldn't hear you because you were getting so much background noise.
Oh, okay. That's good to know. All I said was how come I always get the hot, sticky job?
That's why they pay you the big money. Sure is sad. I wish we had some rain. I just hate to see all this grass dying. And we're going out of town the rest of the week, so there's just no way I can even try to water it. I thought maybe I could do something crazy about getting my sprayer out here, just dribbling water on at least some of it, but we just don't have time. And yeah, it really is a shame. Some of it looks like it's grown up enough that it's rooted in pretty well and it might survive. Other parts of it appears to be dying.
What was that?
A big rock.
Oh, I thought I got all the rocks.
Yeah, we have looked and looked and looked and moved rocks and moved rocks.
I wonder if you should even be mowing then.
I think your instincts are right, Christy. I don't think we probably should be mowing it. I don't know. It's got some of it, see, so grown up that I thought that ought to be cut. I don't know. We may be disturbing some of the remaining straw that we have. I don't think we showed it on a video, but we did put straw out here, and it all blew away. You can see a little bit of it, but most of it blew away. This is the first time that we've been over all of it with any sort of a mower. It's so dry that I don't think it matters even that it's the 4075R. I think it's entirely fine. It's not hurting it any more than any other mower would.
You need to pray for some rain.
Yes. Farmers need rain too.
Yeah. Yeah, who cares about our grass so much? Is the food supply.
It's just grass. It's not a big deal for us, but it is a big deal for the farmers. As you've noticed, we've been switching audio sources frequently in this video. The only processing we've done to this audio is to change the volumes. We haven't used any other processing techniques to try to improve the voice quality or reduce noise. Nothing like that. This is all straight from the microphones with the exception of changing the volume to try to make it appropriate for this video.
Trying to mow the neighbor's yard too?
Might as well. Well, I can tell you that removing a home's going to make this a lot more pleasant to mow. This mows pretty nice now.
a good bit of straw still back from here over.
Yeah. I don't think this rear discharge mower is hurting that straw. Seems to me like it's leaving it right down there, whereas a side discharge mower would be pulling it out of the track, right? It's just taken a few minutes to mow this whole front section.
Yeah.
We start mowing it the other direction, it's not gonna take long at all to mow the whole 5 acres. Now, I forgot to mention the air conditioner fan setting. That makes a difference on how much you can hear, right? The fan setting. I'm on the medium setting now. It's 82 degrees outside, and that's keeping it plenty cool right now. I'll turn on the high setting and see if that impacts what you hear. I don't know if you hear anything different when it's on high and when it's on medium. It's on high right now. It's on medium right now. We're talking about it's on medium. I'll turn it for a second. And I'll run with that mode for a while now. I think I would get hot in here with it being on low. I've got the cool turned all the way on and the air conditioner on, but on low fan, I don't quite have enough. But on medium fan, I'm fine. Now I've got it on medium again. And I don't know if you hear any difference at all. That's for you to let me know, because, well, I won't hear any of this until I'm in the editing room. And that's after Christy's already had her try with it. I felt like it was important to share a little bit more about how all this is connected from an audio standpoint for you to understand what we're actually doing, particularly in this episode because, well, the audio is what we're testing together. Now on this side, I had to leave the ditch alone. I couldn't do anything with the ditch because we've got a drain from our culvert into this drain right here. But where the camera is, where I'm heading right now, I was able to re-sculpt the ditch so that it's not nearly as steep. So on this next pass, boy, I'm really dusting you out, Christy, I'm sorry. On this next pass, I'm going to be able to show you the improvement I made on the ditch mowing. This is what I had in mind. I don't know if I can pull this off, but I thought I could mow around this post. Hopefully this mower can handle that slope. I can tell you I don't have any problem with the slope with the tractor. But the idea is that I can mow all this now. I filled in this ditch in front of me here. It's still a ditch, so in other words, it's still lower than both sides. It will still accept water from the road. It is still humped each direction here, such that water will run away from the road. So it's still serving the needs of the county of draining the highway, but it's just not quite as deep as it was before, and that's going to allow us to mow it. Now, the one downside is we've lost our test bed for how steep of a slope we can mow, right, Christy?
All right, yeah.
And then I intend to be able to mow right up around here, like so. So far, so good. I missed a couple of sprigs there.
You made me wear this headset with a mic stuck up in my ear.
That was odd, wasn't it?
That was odd.
Turn around here so that people can see it. Yeah, so the microphone.
Was up like this.
Yeah. So hopefully it worked. Well, I guess you could hear, so I'm sure the viewers could hear.
Right.
You know, it's a lot hotter out here than it.
Shut up.
Actually, I think it's only hot because it's by the tractor. It's actually a pleasant day.
Yeah, it's
Come on
nice
up here
day.
a little bit.
Oh. Oh, not in there? I can't get inside?
No, you're not allowed. If she were to get in there, think about it. You'd have horrible video experience, horrible audio experience. Just, you're doing it for the viewers.
Yeah, exactly. You did dust me out.
I did dust you out. What do you think of the call?
I could hear you plainly.
Right.
Which was surprising, actually, given this mower.
Did you hear a lot of background noise?
Not really. I could
So-
not tell when you changed the speed of the air conditioner.
Okay. It'll be interesting in editing to hear if we see that.
Yeah.
To me, the saddest part of this video was seeing the deterioration of the grass.
Yeah.
It's really deteriorated a lot over the last week.
We need rain badly.
We need rain.
The ground is cracking.
We just have little clumps of grass, whereas we had a nice, good covering before, and so only the best is surviving, and I don't like that. But a lot of this evaluation is for you guys. You've heard it. I think we've done our best to relay an accurate presentation of it. It's hard. We notice in cars, for example, a lot of the car mics don't work very good.
Right. You hear too much wind noise or air conditioner blowing at it.
Or some sort of noise, the background noise, you just hear too much of it. So if that's not very pronounced in this one, that's something we can say that they've done really well.
Yeah.
I haven't tested my aftermarket radio in the 3520 other than just 1 or 2 calls just to prove that it worked.
Okay.
So we will do that. We'll put it on this mower and we'll test that, whether we publish a whole video with it or just show you to try to compare that at some point. Yeah, it's still in the shop and got pieces scattered everywhere.
Aye, laddie.
Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. Blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the wicked, or stand in the way of sinners, or sit in the seat of mockers. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night.
And Christy getting dirty.
Dusty Christy.
Dusty Christy.
Dusty
Yep.
Time with Christy.
More like sinus and, yeah.